Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to insert a video in Google Slides on phone. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. To use the full desktop version of Google Slides, you need to switch to the desktop site within Chrome. To do this, click on the three-dot menu icon in the top right corner of the browser. From the drop-down menu, select More Tools, then choose Request Desktop Site. This will refresh the page and show you the desktop version of the site. Once you're on the desktop version of Google Slides, navigate to the slide where you want to add the video. Click on Insert in the top menu, then select Video from the drop-down options. A window will pop up where you can search for the video by title. Enter the title of the YouTube video you're interested in and hit Enter. Google Slides will then show a list of search results. Click on the video you want to insert and then click Select or Insert to add it to your slide. The video will appear on your slide and you can move it around and resize it to fit your design. To make the most of this feature, you should also download the Google Slides and Google Drive applications. These apps will allow you to edit your slides on the go and ensure that your video remains accessible and editable from various devices. So that's basically how to insert a video in Google Slides on phone. So that's for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this big thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.